Lesson 13, adding and subtracting fractions and mixed numbers. There's 3 steps that you want to make sure to follow. The first one is to get a common denominator. The second one is to add or subtract whatever's indicated, the numerators, and then the denominators will stay the same. And then the third step is you want to simplify by reducing and or writing as a mixed number. So here's an example. We're going to do 2/3 plus 3/4. So we want to get a common denominator before we can add. So we're going to look at the 3 and the 4, find the least common multiple of 3 and 4, and that would be 12. So we're going to get a common denominator of 12. We have to do 3 times 4 to get 12. So if we do 2 times 4, we'll have 8/12. For 3/4, we want an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 12. We're going to multiply 4 by 3, which means we'll multiply 3 by 3 and get 9/12. Then we add 8 plus 9 and we get 17, and the denominator stays the same. Step 2, it stays the same. Since 17 is bigger than 12, we have to write it as a mixed number. So 17 divided by 12 is 1 with 5 left over. So it's 1 and 5/12. When we're subtracting mixed numbers, so let's say we have 5 and 1/6 minus 3 and 5/6. If you notice, the 1 is smaller than the 5. If you did 1 minus 5, you would go into negatives. So we're going to borrow. We're going to borrow from the 5. We're going to rewrite 5 as 4 and 6/6. So because 6/6 equals 1, 4 and 6/6 still equals 5. And then we have our 1/6 right here, plus 1/6. So these two equal the same thing. So then we just add our 6/6 and our 1/6. We get 4 and 7/6 minus 3 and 5/6. Now we can subtract 5 from 7 because 7's bigger. So we have 2/6, and we can subtract 4 minus 3 is 1. Then we just need to reduce the 2/6 to get 1 and 1/3. And that's the end of the lesson today.
Oh, that's good.